Let me turn off the oven. Boom, boom, off. Guys, welcome back from my street Iacopelli. I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you how to make the most simple and easy way to make the pizza at home, in the home oven. Like you guys can see, I mean, take a look of this crust. Did you see? This is the goal of soft and crunchy, but also for the thin crust lover, I mean, I made a super thin crust. Crunchy. Insane what I made. I mean, I couldn't believe in my eyes that comes out from the home oven. If you're home and you want to make the best pizza, guys, go ahead and watch this video until the end. Please redo everything. Follow this video because it's no secret. We start from the pizza dough. Actually, we started from the mother yeast and then we made the pizza dough. And then I may teach you how to make the dough balls. I teach you how to make Neapolitan style and also another style of pizza, which is from my hometown, Bari, thin crust. So guys, everything is on description for the recipe, but everything else is in English. I write down all the recipe for you that you cannot make mistake. Actually, I forgot, almost forgot. This recipe is good for the same day dough. So if you make it around noon, in 4 hours, you're going to have those pizzas at home. Besides that, enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this pizza with my friends. I'll see you at the end. And don't forget, subscribe and share. And here we go. So I'm gonna put my apron because it's gonna be super easy. And this is a general recipe, so don't get confused with my other videos with the double fermentation and everything. This is the most simple recipe that you can have. This is the recipe, make some pizza in the same day and a super simple way. So that's what you need. You need a container like this, then 300 grams of cold water, 300 grams of any flour, 10 grams of dry yeast, or 10 grams of fresh yeast. In this case, I'm gonna use fresh yeast, and then 10 grams of regular iron. So let's go ahead, let's put the water, 10 grams of fresh yeast, melted with a spoon. This is something that you prepare this at least 2 hours before. And then we put a scoop of honey, mix everything until the yeast is melted. Then we go ahead and we put the flour. Until it's all all together. Yeah, you just mix it a few seconds. That's the main ingredient that is gonna make your dough the best taste, the best texture. Now we get the plastic, cover everything, just like that. Voila! Make a couple of those. So now we leave it at room temperature 1 hour to 2 hours. So the time that doubles up at the side, the time that we get some bubbles here. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, once you have a container like that, or just a bowl, you know, you don't have to have this container. We're gonna make it most easy as possible. 500 grams of half a liter of water. We dump the Poolish inside. You grab just put everything inside like that. Make sure everything is in it. It's in it. This is gonna give it the perfect flavor. The spoon, just try to melt the Poolish in the bowl with the water until the water is white, basically, like a milk. Trust me, this, everybody can make it. There we go. And 1 kilograms of flour. We wanna mix everything until we don't see any water anymore. Okay, I don't see any water anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in the counter. Make sure we don't have anything anymore. Save the spatula. Now, like you can see, this dough is really hard, it's not sticky. And this is why, the reason of these videos. I know, everybody says you have 1,000 videos about pizza dough, blah, 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 blah. But guys, every video is different. Every video is for different person. Some people don't like the sticky dough. Some people like to win easy. And this is the part where you win easy. So, like you can see, everything is all together. Now it's time to go ahead and put the salt. We need 35 grams of sea salt. So work the dough until it starts to get sticky. The whole olive oil that we're gonna use. 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil. So now we go ahead and try to incorporate also this oil. See what I'm doing? I'm just flipping over the dough upside down inside. Inside and press. Inside and press. Here we go. See, my hands, they're not super sticky. We're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of the olive oil remaining. When you're cooking the pizza in a home oven, you need the olive oil to let it cook more fast, so it helps the cooking process. So now we let it rest for about 20 minutes with the lid on top. Okay guys, boom, voila, that's the dough how it looks like after 20 minutes. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the balls. See, it's simple. Cut the dough in stripes, just like that. 1, 2, and 3. Because we are going to make body style, thin crust, and Neapolitan style, what I'm gonna do 2 types of dough. So if you wanna surprise your parents, you wanna do 2 style of pizzas, go ahead and do this. So for the body style, which is the thin crust, we're gonna go ahead and do 220 grams of dough, almost. 230, 210. Actually, let's do 200 and we make it easy. 200 grams. I'm gonna try to put somewhere here in the video the size in English. Now we're gonna go ahead with the Neapolitan style. Neapolitan style, we do 280 grams. Where you have leftover dough, what do? Don't worry about. We just go ahead and we don't waste anything here. We put it, go ahead and put it under. It's okay, you have a little bit extra dough. It's not a big deal. Olive oil, and now we make the balls. So let's go ahead first with the body style, which is the smaller one. That's how you do it. See, upside down, we go ahead, we put it inside, and then just go ahead and form a ball. Like that. And just close it from the bottom. Voila, that's how you make a ball. And let it rest right there. Neapolitan style, same thing. Just go ahead, make it nice and tight, and just close. Voila. Let's go ahead, let's finish up the balls. Okay, here we go. So now grab a container. I mean, if you don't have this, get a sheet pan and just wrap it with a plastic wrap. So now we're gonna place the dough balls like that. So we wanna leave about 3 fingers apart. So we go 1, 2, the Neapolitan style right here. And then we put the body style right there. 1, 2, and 3. And close it. And now, this is the tricky part. It depends on the room temperature that you are. It's gonna take about 2 hours to 3 hours. It depends. The dough will be ready when it doubles up the side. Okay guys, here we go. The dough is ready. Everything is ready to set up. Take a look of the dough, how it looks like. It's perfect, it's fermented, and it's ready to rock and roll and make the best pizza you can ever make in your house. Guys, like you can see, everything is attached, and that's how we know that this is the point of fermentation. Of course, the point that you're gonna use the dough. What you're gonna do is you wanna turn on the oven. Come with me, because we are cooking the pizza in a home oven. I go ahead and put a stone on the bottom or something like that. This is metal. There, you're going to cook the pizza on top of the surface. If you don't have that, this is from, you find this inside the oven. So you go ahead, put this upside down, put it in the oven, you can use this surface if you don't have it. So I wanna make this video really easy for you. So what I did, I placed this right on top of the heat on the top, and then I close it. In this case, this oven have the pizza preset. So that's it, and then I play heat, and this is gonna go at the max temperature, because you cook pizza at the max temperature of the oven. In this case, this oven goes up to 300 Celsius, even more. So what you wanna do is light up the oven about 1 hour before, I wanna say. This way, the heat from the top heat up the surface, and then you are going to cook the bottom of the pizza. I'm gonna use, to stretch the pizza, rice flour. You don't wanna put everywhere the flour. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of flour on this side. Then you grab the container, grab a spatula, because this is the most important tool. Grab the spatula, and then flour on top of the dough, where you're gonna go ahead and take it out. So you go ahead, cut the sides, every sides, guys. Cut all the sides. So we're gonna go ahead, pinch, and then bring the dough up. Then upside down on top of the flour. Go ahead, the dough, go ahead and close it with a lid. This is how you stretch. Go ahead, flour, upside down. Keep in mind which is the top, because the top stays on top. Once you have all the flour, grab a little bit of flour, put it on the surface, and then we go ahead and then move this because it's too much, and then dump it right there. So let's go ahead and now we stretch. Guys, don't touch the crust and don't touch the center. We just go ahead and lightly press. Press the air to the crust without, leave it like an inch. Go ahead and now press out to the center, lightly. You want to be really gentle. This dough, it will not rip. Now we press a little bit more hard without touching the crust. We go around, around, around. One more time. And now, one end here, you press and you pull. And then upside down. Press and pull. If this is hard for you, just go ahead and just do this. That's the easy way. But I like to do this way you keep the air on the crust. Now, once you have about 10 inches, the size that you want to, upside down, bring the dough on top, lift it up, and you make it big, how you want it. Make sure it's not too much flour on the bottom. Go ahead and dump the pizza. Like you can see, this is how you stretch the pizza. There's the tricky part. When you're cooking the pizza at home, grab a tomato sauce, put it right there, couple spoon, then all around. Voila. Leave the crust. So now put a little bit of olive oil on the crust. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it like a little parbake about the time that it gets cold. So let's grab the peel. My God, guys, take a look what I got. Just received this from G-Metal. Carbon fiber pizza peel. Insane gift. Super light carbon fiber. Perfect for home. So, guys, you need a peel. If you don't have a peel, it's a little bit more complicated, but just buy a peel on Amazon or just get a peel. Little bit of flour. Now take a look how easy it is. Pinch it and then that's how you do it. And bring the peel under the pizza. Now you fix how you want it. Now go ahead and put it in the oven. We wait that the pizza gets gold color. It usually takes about 2 minutes. So keep in mind, set the timer and then 2 minutes is enough. Now let's grab the barista, which is more easy. In this case, we need to have a little bit extra flour on this one because barista is a little bit more tricky. Press the crust a lot. Press the crust. If it's too hard for you, just reuse a roller pin. But I like to use my hands. Go ahead and remove the flour. You see how many times I'm using the spatula, so many. And now we go ahead. Actually, barista is better to use the roller pin. I want to make it super thin, so let me grab the roller pin. The pizza is it's ready right there. My God, that was fast. That was fast. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. My God, that was fast. Woo! Take a look. It was almost. I can't believe it. Oh, ma stai vedendo come è venuta la pizza? Mo, seriamente. Sti cazzi. Anyway, it surprised me. Surprised in the oven. It's insane. Let's go ahead. If I knew that it was cooking like that, you don't need to do the barbake. I mean, we're gonna test one without barbaking it. Anyway, put Parmesan cheese. That was fast. Then we put the fresh mozzarella. And now, what I like to do is I like to put the olive oil on top of the crust. So now, for now, let it rest here because we want to get out both pizzas together. And let's finish up this barista here. Now, one end, you hold it, one end, you go like that. Then we put it across. Same thing. Same thing. Some people there are gonna say, oh, what are you doing, Vito? You're using a roller pin. Well, guys, it's nothing bad to use a roller pin. you can take off all the air from the roller pin. So it's not bad to use it. Here we go. That's it. Don't need it anymore. Now, go ahead. Just go ahead and do this. It's nice and uniform. What I'm gonna do, this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do it in one shot because it will cook more faster. So I put a little bit less tomato compared to that one, and we cover the pizza. Then I put the olive oil everywhere. Try to put the Parmesan cheese everywhere. Be careful, guys, don't put the fresh mozzarella everywhere, even close to the crust, and don't put too much. Put a pinch of black pepper. It's gonna give a nice flavor. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and pinch it gently. If you can see how thin it is. It's thin, eh? Okay. Now let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven. Come with me. And boom. Let's close it. Now, when the mozzarella starts to bubble in there, can you see it? Pizza, it's ready. But before I show you the details, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the Neapolitan style. We're gonna finish that the mozzarella starts to bubbling. When it's bubbling, the pizza is ready. And here we go, the mozzarella starts to bubbling, and ooh, my God. Here we have the soft and crunchy. The perfection of this pizza that I made in about, that you can make in about, I wanna say 4 or 5 hours. It's insane. Let's hear the crunch. Where is the microphone? That's what I'm talking about. Soft and crunchy in the same time. Get some details on this pizza, please. And guys, here we go. The body style is ready. I cook it a little bit more longer. Again, twice. A beast. I don't say anything about the oven. A beast. Nice crunch. And then this one, I like to put the chopped basil in this case. Then we put a little bit of olive oil everywhere. I like to put more pepper and boom. Simone, get some details on this body style. But before, take a look. Ooh, this sweet. What's that? Get some details on this body style. Okay guys, welcome to my friends here, my new team of video maker.
Oh yeah.
So tell me in the comments what you guys think about this video. You know, besides that, you tell me what do you think of this? How easy was it? You guys don't make pizza?
No.
You believe that this pizza was made at home?
That's incredible.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's taste it. Let's see what these guys think. I mean, for a pizza in the same day, in the home oven, insane, I believe.
That's insane, yeah.
Well, you guys did. You guys taste the body style, let's taste the Neapolitan style.
Yeah.
Wow, listen to the crunch, my God. Let's hear what you guys think first.
È morbidissimo. Questo è morbido.
Soft and crunchy at the same time.
I like this one. Modern.
Yeah, thin crust, and you are from Bari.
Yeah.
But guys, what I think is that pizza, if it's good, it's good. So any style that you make it, besides pineapple, it's gonna be good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next one.